After a fierce fight in the cabinet on Tuesday over extension of his term to 2030 amid resistance, President Emmerson Mnangagwa came out guns blazing to attack Vice President Chiwenga at a high-level ZANU-PF Politburo strategic seminar in Harare yesterday. Chiwenga, who is opposed to 2030, did not attend yesterday's Politburo meeting, showing a growing rift with Mnangagwa. Sanabina mashuko nyaso konokwa kunzi aiwa panguva ine matensions panguva ino yaasina kumira zvakanaka, and zvanyatso kubuda pachena kuti zvinhu zvisina kumira zvakanaka mava kupisa mubato umu. Subscribe or like on the bell icon. The news also ndambira achiti the two-day retreat focus on reinforcing the party's ideological foundation and aligning its leadership with the national development goals under Vision 2030. Chiwenga also did not attend the party's inaugural strategic seminar for Central Committee members in Gweru last week. The meeting was focused on internal governance and the party's alignment with the national development goals. Mnangagwa and Chiwenga are locked in a fierce succession power struggle, which has deeply divided ZANU-PF and government. The infighting is intensifying amid Cabinet's approval of a raft of far-reaching and controversial constitutional and legal reforms, which changed the political and governance system, extending Mnangagwa's tenure to 2030, increasing the presidency term from 5 to 7 years, and abolishing direct elections for president, who will now be elected by parliament. Tomashwana muda nyogo pangwa ino. Paneko section medu za fungu enyi matu kudipa mzuri pechitko ichi. So subscribe or like, chito on the bell icon.